Here is a Nissan Qashqai. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the hatch. That's where the license plate lights are. You'll need a flathead screwdriver for this job. Put it right over there on the right side of the light and then push it to the left and out, just the way I'm showing. You've got to get the screwdriver underneath the light and sort of pry it out. And then the other side just comes right out easily. Now, what we have to do is just hold on to the bulb holder, those wires in the back, with the right hand and then twist the lens left. And now you'll be able to get the lens off the bulb holder easily. That's the bulb right there. Just grab it and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it comes out. The bulb size is 194. Check the link in the description to buy it from Amazon. Get the new bulb and then simply push it in to secure it. Get the lens back on the bulb holder. And once it's in place, you can twist the bulb holder right with the right hand and then lock it in place and you're done. Now this side where those wires go, that side goes in first. Just get that in first, put a finger there and then push the other side down to clip it in place, and that is good. Now let's repeat this process for the left side light. Same thing, you have to go from the right and then get the light out because it's oriented the same way as the right side one. Twist the bulb holder left to get it out. Same bulb, 194. Let's put this back in and twist it right to secure it. And same thing, when we are putting it back in, the side where the wire goes, that goes on in first. Keep a finger over there on it and then push the other side down to clip it in place, and that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.